Okay, you've got hello everybody. You've got three verbs we're going to focus on today. We're going to focus on these three verbs in the past tense. Okay, we've got ndeachaigh, ndearna, and raibh. Okay, so here we go. What I want you to do is I want you to put your two hands out and I want you to say ndeachaigh. Can you say that? Ndeachaigh. Two hands out like you're asking a question. So this is the question. Ndeachaigh. Did you go? Ndeachaigh to. Did you go? And there's two answers to that. There is hui. Hui may, I went, so put your left hand out with your thumb up, hui may, and ndeachaigh may. So put your right hand out with your thumb down, so ndeachaigh may. So there's two answers. Let's do that one more time. Ndeachaigh to, hui may, ndeachaigh may. Okay, so I've got a question here. Shu'i na páistí, okay. Táisiú dul go dtí an park. They're going to the park. All right. So we're going to focus on this question here. Ndeachaigh, so two hands out. Ndeachaigh na páistí go dtí an park. Did the children go to the park? Okay, and there's two answers to that. So repeat after me. Hui na páistí go dtí an park? They did go to the park. Or ndeachaigh na páistí go dtí an park? The children didn't go to the park. And the answer is, of course, hui na páistí go dtí an park. Okay, now we're going to focus on this question here. So two hands out, like you're asking a question. Ndeachaigh na páistí go dtí an leabharlann. Did the children go to the leabharlann, to the library? And there's two answers to that. There's hui na páistí go dtí an leabharlann. The children did go to the library. Or ndeachaigh na páistí go dtí an leabharlann. So put your thumb out. Ndeachaigh na páistí go dtí an leabharlann. And the answer is, of course, ndeachaigh na páistí go dtí an leabharlann. Okay, we've got number two. So two hands out, and I want you to say ndearna to. Did you make? Ndearna to. Okay, so there are two answers to that. There is rinne may, so thumb up on your left hand, rinne may, I made. And there is ndearna may. Can you say that? Ndearna may. Okay, one more time. Ndearna to. Did you make? Ndearna to. Rinne may. Ndearna may. Okay, there's the two answers for did you make. Rinne may agus ndearna may. Okay, so let's have a look at what's happening here. Tá daddy ag Déanamh pancóga. Okay, agus tá mummy ag iarnáil. Mummy's ironing. So the question is, we're going to focus on this one here. Two hands out. Ndearna daddy na pancóga. Did daddy make na pancóga? Did he make the pancakes? Okay, there's two answers. Rinne daddy na pancóga. Daddy made the pancakes. And other thumb. Ndearna daddy na pancóga. The answer is, of course, rinne daddy na pancóga. Daddy made the pancakes. Okay, we're going to focus on this one here now. Ndearna, two hands out. Ndearna mommy na pancóga. And we've got rinne mommy na pancóga. Or ndearna mommy na pancóga. And the answer is, of course, ndearna mommy na pancóga. Mommy didn't make the pancakes. Okay, one last one. So two hands out. I want you to repeat this after me. Raibh to. Were you? Raibh to. Were you? The answer is bhí may. I was. So thumb out on your left hand. Bhí may. Repeat after me. Bhí may. Or ní raibh may. I wasn't. So were you? I was or I wasn't. Okay, so raibh to. One more time. Raibh to. Thumb out. Bhí may. And ní raibh may. They're the two answers. Okay, so we've got a question here. Na féach múntóir. This is the teacher, the múntóir. Tá farraig an múntóir. The teacher is cross. Okay, mar bhristin aigen an chathaoir. Somebody broke the chathaoir. Someone broke the chair. So let's see what happens. Let's go focus on this question here first in the box. Two hands out. Raibh farraig an múntóir. Can you say that? Raibh farraig an múntóir. And the answers, bhí farraig an múntóir. The teacher was cross. Or ní raibh farraig an múntóir. The teacher wasn't angry or cross. Okay, and the answer is, of course, Bhí farraig ar an múntóir. The teacher was cross. Okay, second part here. 2 hands out. An raibh áthas ar an múntóir. Was the teacher happy? So we've got bhí áthas ar an múntóir. Thumb out. And next one, thumb down. Ní raibh áthas ar an múntóir. Of course, the answer has to be ní raibh áthas ar an múntóir. The teacher was not happy. Okay, so just to recap, we had an ndeachaigh, we had an ndearna, an raibh. Okay, now with these verbs, you can put anything in front of them. So an ndeachaigh na páistí, did the children go? An ndearna daddy, did daddy make? An ndearna mommy, did mommy make? An raibh an múntóir, was the teacher? An raibh tú, were you? An raibh sé, was he? An raibh she, was she? Okay, so let's go through these one more time. So 2 hands out. An ndeachaigh. The answers to an ndeachaigh are hui and ndeachaigh. An ndearna, 2 hands out. Thumb up. Rinne, ndearna. An raibh, bhí and ní raibh. Well done, everyone.